And the District Disaster Management Authority Gangtok will conduct an air raid warning mock drill tomorrow to enhance public awareness, test emergency systems and strengthen coordination among civil defence, SDRF, fire services and the public. In Singtam Town, the mock drill will run from 1600 to 1700 hours, starting with siren broadcasts across the town, followed by an assumed airstrike at the NHPC Power House, Balutar. Fire services and rescue teams will respond with mock operations, including evacuation of casualties to Singtam District Hospital. In Gangtok town, from 2100 to 2130 hours, air raid sirens will sound and a complete blackout will be observed, with residents required to switch off lights and stay indoors. Power will be temporarily shut down during the blackout, and DG sets, inverters, solar lights, etc. should also be shut down in all commercial establishments, government offices and individual houses. All the residents of Gangtok district, rural and urban, are requested to cooperate fully and follow instructions.